So, paano ba pababain ng power windows gamit ang ating remote or key fob? So, ganito lang kasimple. So, pag nakalock siya, you just press unlock. And then, press and hold yung unlock button ulit. Press and hold. Ayan. Mababa na siya. Okay. So, kung gusto nyo lang ulit pataasin yan, you just lock. You lock it. Angat na ulit yan. Yan. Ganyan lang siya kasimple. So, marami pang ibang features to. And this is just a quick video. I will video some as well in the future. So, like and share. Share nyo rin sa ating mga Kazumis. If makatulong po sa inyo ito, kindly subscribe. I'll be posting more videos about the features of RM soon. Okay guys, have a great morning and God bless a lahat.